I love going to Costco for Christmas. There's so many great deals, so let's go shopping. Every year, Costco has out a good selection of natural-looking trees. The thing I really like about these trees is they have dual LED lights that will light up in the clear and the multicolor. The 9-foot garland is also a dual LED garland. I love that it has pine cones and different styles of branches. This natural wreath would be great for your front door. It is pre-lit and it's $10 off right now. They also have wreaths available with the white ornaments and the red ornaments. These are also pre-lit and a little bit more expensive. They have a wide selection of ornaments. Several of them are glass ornaments, and I saw multiple sets that were on sale. All right, let me know down in the comments if you guys are going to be picking up this gnome. You always seem to love the gnomes, and this one is $10 off, and it's pretty large too. I think this will sell out fast. You can always find a wide selection of outdoor lights and different things you can put outside. I like this 3-piece star set for outside. They always have the snowman, and of course the reindeer are back again. The hot item that I think everybody's going to try to pick up at Costco is this gingerbread house. This is a 25-inch gingerbread house. There is another popular gingerbread house on Pottery Barn's website that's been really trendy this year, so I definitely think this one's going to go fast. There's a whole aisle of outdoor lights. I loved these crystal ones, and several of them are on sale right now. If you've never tried a smart plug for your outdoor lights, it makes it so much easier to turn your lights on and off from your phone. I really liked this ceramic holiday village. It's a 10-piece set. It's all in white, and I thought it was really gorgeous. This would be great sitting out on your side tables or even as a centerpiece. There was several Disney items on this aisle as well, and a few of them were on sale. The ultimate throw is a great option for your couch or your side chairs. I felt like the price point was great on it, only $9.99, and it came in 4 colors. I also like the Sherpa Fleece reversible blanket. It's large enough that it'll fit on a queen or king size bed. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Costco. I couldn't believe the size of this sea salt candle. It's 53 ounces. It came in a variety of scents. It's on sale. I felt like this would make such a great gift. I also spotted this 4-pack of candles. These are all in holiday scents. I love the way the candle jars look, and I felt like the price was really reasonable on them. I haven't tried them, so I cannot speak to their scent payoff. I found a lot of great deals on men's clothing. This waffle knit sweater came in a variety of sizes and colors, and it was only priced at $12.99. They also had men's jackets in, I think, 3 different colors. Those were on sale, really good deal at $16.99. If you're needing paper plates, they have them on sale for November for $4.50 off. This is a great time to stock up on batteries. The Kirkland AA and AAA batteries are both on sale. You can get $3 off. This time of year, I really like to stock up on the Scotch scissors. They're always a great deal, and these scissors are high quality. Costco already has several gift options out. This water-resistant outdoor speaker would be a great option for anyone on your list. You can get it for $30 off. I love the Lego Advent calendars. My kids love these. I feel like this one is different than the one they had last year, but I can't tell you that for sure. Every year, Costco has a full aisle of Legos, and I feel like the prices are very competitive. If you have anybody who's a fan of Pokemon, they have this Lego set that's on sale right now in November. You're going to find several aisles of toys on sale, like this laser blaster set. Know anybody on your list who needs a bumper car? I thought this was really cute. Uno makes a great family gift. You can get this 6-pack bundle for under $20. They also had this drone on sale. Make sure you paint that subscribe button. If you're watching me on your phone, the subscribe button is right next to my channel name. Click the red subscribe button so it goes from red to gray. You can also click the notification bell so you can see more videos like my Dollar Tree DIYs, home hacks, and room makeovers. If you have a kiddo who likes Diary of a Wimpy Kid, their brand new book is out. My daughter Caroline loves this book series, so I'm gonna pick it up. Don't skip the book aisle. They have so many different sets of books for the younger kiddos, all the way up to chapter books and even adult books. I felt like the selection this year was better than I've ever seen. If you're needing food storage, I like this 8-piece Pyrex glass set. The price on it is great. For under $20, you can get this full 18-piece set. Without a doubt, Costco has the best deal on these black hangers. They're priced at $13.99, which I think is even cheaper than they were last year. This wireless charger would make a great stocking stuffer. If you don't have one of these all-in-one portable chargers, they make life so much easier. I love them for traveling. If you love putting out holiday hand soap, you really can't beat the price point on these at $11.99. If you're looking for stocking stuffers, you can get this goat milk hand cream and divide it out. I also am a big fan of the EOS lip balms. These are great stocking stuffers, but honestly, I use them myself. My favorite item I found on this Costco trip was the Apothecary hand soap containers. These are glass hand soap containers, and I got all 4 for $12.99. If you see it, pick it up. It was a great deal. There was almost a whole aisle of Squishmallows. These are very popular now with the kiddos, so if you have a fan of Squishmallows, I would pick them up now because I feel like they're going to go quickly. They even have Harry Potter Squishmallows. Again, more Squishmallow items. This is an activity set with stickers and all kinds of fun things. They also have a trail camera on sale. It's $20 off. There was a whole aisle of space heaters, so if you're looking for one, you may want to check out Costco. I found this battery organizer on sale for about half the price of what I normally see it on Amazon. If you're needing something to organize all of those Kirkland batteries, this would be a great option. I also really like this water bottle. You get a pack of 2 for $16.99. These are similar to the bamboo organizers that I have in my kitchen, but I felt like the price point on them for a 4-piece was great. They also had 2 sets of silverware that were on sale for $19.99. I use these green pans at home. I haven't seen them with the gold handles. These are non-stick ceramic pans. They're priced at $44.99. If you're going to be hosting any holiday get-togethers, a grazing board is a great appetizer to put out. This one was $19.99. I saw this smokeless grill, griddle, and air fryer that was on sale. There was also this digital air fryer. So if you're needing any appliances, Costco has a pretty big selection right now. The KitchenAid mixer is also $100 off.